Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Dermot Kennedy here again with a song called Sunday, alright? And we're doing this on a Sunday, so what a match there. Let's dive into this one, and we're going clean here, no need for any capo, and we have a couple chords to go over, so let's do that. First we have the B chord here. That's a bar chord, so you place the bar on the second fret, and you bar all strings except for the last E in the bass. So the real B will be like this, and then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and fourth on B. At many times we can go with the sus version. That means you just lift off the fourth on B there and just do this. Alright, but for this specific song, it's actually much better to go with the real B chord. It's a little bit harder to get all your fingers in there to fit there. So if that is the case for you, then go with the sus. It's okay as well. But I try to go with the real B chord here. So that is the B. Let's move on to the E. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C sharp minor. So that's a bar chord. You'll place the bar on the fourth fret there, and the same strings there, all strings except for the last T will be barred, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's a C sharp minor. We'll go next to the A sharp minor. So what we do, we're gonna play that chord right after the C sharp. So you just move the same grip 2 frets towards you to land here with the bar on the 6th position now, and the rest you need to add is 8 on D, 8 on G, and 7th on B. Exact same grip there, just 2 frets towards your body. And then we're gonna go with the E sus version here. So it will come right after this A sharp. So what you do now, you take the exact same grip, but you release the B string there, so it will look like this. A bar placed on the 7th fret, and then the rest you need to add is 9 on D and 9 on the G string. So it goes from C sharp to A sharp to the E sus. Alright, so there you have the chord. And then we have the G sharp minor. It's a bar chord again. Now this is placed on the 4th position, and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And then finally we have the F sharp chord. So that's a bar chord placed on the 2nd fret there with the bar finger, and you bar all strings. And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Alright. So we're gonna look at the verse first. So it goes with the B here or the B sus, it's up to you. So you're gonna play a stirring pattern that goes down, 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 up. Okay, so that is so pretty straight downs like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. All right, so down, 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 up. That's what we're going to work with in the verse. So we're going to play 1 B and then 1 E. You play this back and forth for 3 rounds. So that is 1, and that is 2. That is 3. Then you go to the C sharp and play just 2 downs, then 2 downs on the A sharp, and then 4 downs on the E sus. And that is the first verse. Okay, then after the first verse comes the second verse right after there, and you're gonna play almost the exact same thing here, or actually exact same thing. The third verse will differ a little bit, but the second verse is played in the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. You just repeat the B and E 3 times back and forth, and then the C sharp, A sharp, and E sus. After the second verse comes the first chorus. Okay, so now we're gonna play just 4 straight downs. That is 1 round, so to speak. So you're gonna play B, 1, 2, 3, 4, then E, 2, 3, 4, then G sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then E, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 1 chord progression round. So B, E, G sharp, and back to E. 4 downs per chord, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is your chorus. Okay? Then you go back and play the third verse. Now this one, like I mentioned, differs a little bit. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the first part, the B and E alternation there. So down, 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 up on the B, and then E, down, 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 up. That is 2 rounds of that. And then you're gonna play the C sharp, the A sharp, and E sus in the same way, but you play that as well for 2 rounds. Okay, so that is the difference there between the first and second and the third verse. After the third verse, you come to the second chorus. You play that in the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. And after that second chorus, at about 2 minutes and 6 seconds into the song, comes a bridge part. Okay, so now you're gonna work with just straight downs. So you're gonna play E, 1, 2, 3, and then F sharp, 1, and then the G sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and F sharp finally, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So let's go again. E, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, and F sharp, 2, 3, 4. There you have 2 rounds of that bridge part. And then you're gonna end this song here with the final third chorus. And guess what? It's played in the same way as the previous courses. No changes there. And that wraps it up for Dermot Kennedy's Sunday. All right, so I hope you enjoy your Sunday, perhaps with this tutorial. And if you do, please give me a like here, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and I'll really love your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.